Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export assets in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the quickest way to do this is to come to the top right hand corner of the page, make sure to open that document that you want to export and the asset inside. So from here it's going to say export PNG. So we can change that by clicking a little drop down menu, and then we can change the document to object, artboard, or object plus artboard. I'm just going to keep document, and then under that we've got PNG. So we can choose from JPEG, PNG, GIF, RGB, GIF, grayscale. Keep scrolling down, you've got a lot of different choices how you want to export it. But say, just for example, I want to export this to a JPEG. I'm going to click onto that and then choose the one here, best quality. And now what this is going to do, this is also going to make the background transparent, as you can see. So if I go ahead and click on export JPEG, click onto that. Now I'm going to choose the location inside of my computer. I'm going to choose my downloads. Now I'm going to export it into there. And now another way to do this is to come up to the top here and click onto file, and we're going to see the export option. Then click on export again, and then here we got a little box. Now we can choose how we're going to export it from JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF, SVG, etc, etc. And then on the right hand side we can play around the settings here. So we can change the quality here. We can with the area we can do whole document, resample, bilinear, bicubic, nearest neighbor. We can lock the aspect ratio if you want to change the aspect ratio there. If we keep scrolling down, it's going to give us the estimated file size when we do export. We got the pixel format. We can don't export the hidden layers. So if you got layers in that you don't want to export, just go ahead and click that if you don't want those layers, those hidden layers exported. Keep scrolling down. We can embed ICC profiles, turn on progressive, convert clips to pass if you like, and also embed HDR image as gain map. And then simply go ahead and click on export, and then it's going to choose a location in your computer, give it a name. It's going to call this test, and click save.